The video opens with a vast, icy landscape filled with glittering snow and towering icebergs. Soft, soothing music plays in the background as the camera zooms in on a lone penguin named Percy. Percy stands near the edge of the iceberg kingdom, looking out at the vast expanse of the icy world around him. Percy is shown waddling across the ice, his small footsteps leaving imprints in the snow. He appears a little lonely as he watches other penguins playing together in the distance. The camera focuses on Percy's face, revealing a hint of sadness in his eyes as he seems to long for company. In a heartwarming moment, Percy takes a deep breath and looks determined. The camera captures his determination as he starts on a journey across the ice, away from his familiar surroundings. He encounters challenges like slippery paths and gusts of icy wind, but he keeps moving forward with unwavering courage. Percy reaches a different part of the icy land and encounters new animals, such as seals and other penguins he hasn't seen before. The camera captures his initial hesitation and then his joy as he cautiously approaches these new friends. They welcome him with open flippers, and soon they're sliding and playing together in the snow, forming an adorable group of. As the day comes to an end, the sky begins to paint a stunning array of colors: pinks, purples, and oranges streak across the sky. Percy bids goodbye to his new friends, grateful for the wonderful day he had. The camera captures his journey back home, his heart full of happiness from the new friendships he's made. Percy arrives back at his iceberg kingdom, where the other penguins are gathered. With a cheerful chirp, he reunites with his old friends, excitedly sharing his adventures from the day. The camera captures the heartwarming moment as all the penguins gather around Percy, listening intently to his tales of friendship and bravery. The video ends with a close-up of Percy surrounded by all his friends, smiling happily as they all huddle together. The screen fades to black with a message that reads, "No matter how small you are, friendship can make the world a warmer place." So dear kids, I hope you enjoy this beautiful animation video. This is it for now. Keep watching and subscribe Danyal Haider Cartoons. See you in the next video. Tada and Merry Christmas.